Hi darlings, this is the Tower 28 skin tint. I first purchased this at Credo in 2022 in the shade Runyon, and I didn't like that shade, so I repurchased it in Ocean Park. So here we go. Skin tint I had to rebuy again because I needed something lightweight in my makeup collection. So this is the Tower 28 skin tint, and I have the shade Ocean Park, and this is the shade 25. Now my skin tone is usually a light medium with neutral undertones, so I thought this shade would match me the best. And this has SPF 30, so it's great for a sunny day. And because it has like this type of packaging where the nozzle is like very thin, you can kind of control how much product you're using, and you don't have to use too much product because you can get like that little bit of product on. So the way you could use this is you could kind of just like drip onto your face, but make sure you're not putting too much when you're like putting it on, or you could just like put it onto your hand. So I'll just do like a little bit on my face directly, and then I'll blend it in with a sponge. So this is what my face looks like after applying the skin tint. And one of the things I noticed with this as I was applying it is because I was applying it like directly to my face, and because this is such like a controlled applicator tip, I was able to like feel the skin tint getting onto my face, and then based upon that I was able to blend it out without like looking at a mirror, because without my glasses I can't really see that great into a mirror unless it's super close up. So I was able to get away with like blending based upon my senses with this. And then because this is skin tint, it does feel very lightweight. I don't feel like I have makeup on. I could honestly take a nap and forget about that I have this on. And I think the skin color match is pretty decent. Like, it doesn't look too yellow or like too white cast or like too dark on me. I thought the skin tint shade match was pretty good. So those are my thoughts.